We are the South Dakota State University 2025 Gateway to Blue Skies Egg Air Team STaPLE drone. Our project aims to revolutionize precision ag with two modules, one for soil testing and another for extracting corn leaf samples. These modules will attach to a large UAV designed for autonomous missions. I'm Nathan Keel, team lead.
I'm Laura Peterson, documentation lead.
I'm Nick Wallace, soil testing module lead.
I'm King Fisher, leaf module lead.
In 2024, the U.S. produced 14.9 billion bushels of corn, making it the most produced crop in the U.S., and precision ag can increase yield by 7%. It's vital to test and analyze nutrient levels to effectively apply fertilizer, herbicides, and pesticides, which helps maximize soil and crop health. Current methods of collecting soil and plant tissue samples are time and labor consuming. Our UAV will automate these processes, which will optimize crop management.
The soil testing module includes an NPK sensor on a linear actuator along with the water tank and pump. When the drone lands, the pump dispenses the water onto the soil and lowers the NPK sensor into the soil to collect the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels.
The leaf extraction module includes a servo-controlled arm, a grab-and-cut mechanism, a tissue sample container, and legs to land above the plant to eliminate crop wash. The module will use AI in conjunction with LiDAR and RGBD cameras to identify the uppermost fully developed leaf, grab and cut near the stalk, and store it for analysis in the lab.
By automating soil and leaf sampling, we save time and reduce costs, enabling more frequent data collection. This allows farmers to make better decisions on fertilizer use and crop management, improving yield with modern precision agriculture technology.
By the 2025 Blue Skies Forum, our prototype modules will have undergone a series of tests on our campus greenhouse with soil and live corn plants to verify their feasibility.
We expect the soil sampling could be ready for beta testing in the field by the 2026 growing season and ready for commercial sales in 2027.
The leaf tissue sampler will be tested manually in 2025 to the 2026 growing season, while AI systems are being trained. We expect to be ready for autonomous testing in 2027 and beta testing in 2028. It will be ready for commercial use in 2029.
Thanks for watching.